you guys, and welcome to the first YouTube episode of Cookin with Jen. Woo, I'm going to try to add something there, and if nothing's there, then that means I couldn't figure it out. But, oh my gosh, we've come a long way since I've started these videos. But I had a poll, and I asked you guys if you guys wanted to learn how to make that shrimp fried rice thing, and most of you guys wanted to know how to make it, so we're going to learn how to make it. You literally only need 3 ingredients, which you could all buy at Trader Joe's. So what you're going to need is shrimp. I bought this frozen shrimp, cooked shrimp medium from Trader Joe's, so you're gonna need that. You're going to need cauliflower rice. There's 2 versions that Trader Joe's has. There's just plain old cauliflower rice, and then rice cauliflower stir fry. So what I do is I mix both of these together, and it's awesome. So I'm using this as like one ingredient. So you need the shrimp, you need the cauliflower rice, and you need 1 egg. That is it. Those are the 3 ingredients, and totally optional, paprika. So it's like 3 ingredients and a half. Like, you don't have to use this. You could use whatever spice you want, but I use paprika. Sometimes I'll add lemon pepper, but yeah, that's it. So the first thing you're gonna do is get your non-stick pan, skillet, whatever thingy. You're gonna obviously turn on the stove. Stove's on. And what you're going to do is add your frozen shrimp. Too much yellow. It's okay. I guess we're cooking for the family now. You're gonna add that, and you're gonna put that on the fire. And obviously, because it's frozen, you know, a little bit of the water is going to come out. Once that water starts to come out is when you're going to add your paprika and whatever seasoning you want. You could also add some lemon pepper. Lemon pepper is like the one seasoning that literally I use all of my life. Like, I don't know, I feel like it's just the easiest seasoning to use. I don't know, it makes everything taste good, I guess. Like, if you don't like vegetables, just put lemon pepper on it. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, we are going to wait for that to cook. I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, so once your shrimps is like sizzling already, you want to get the cauliflower rice and dump it in there. So what I usually do is half a cup of the normal cauliflower rice, stick that in there, and then the other half a cup of the stir fry one. So this one for a serving is 50 calories, and then this one for a serving is 20 calories. So when you like split it, like, I don't know, lessens the calories or whatever. And yeah, let's put that in there. Alright. So when that is in there, you just back up. You want to just stir it until the cauliflower rice starts to turn a little like brownish. Because you did put seasoning in it, it's gonna change colors. So you're gonna cook that for a good like minute. Alright, so once the water in the skillet has evaporated, because your ingredients were frozen, there's going to be some water in there. So once that it has evaporated, you're going to get your egg and crack it. Obviously, the only way to open an egg. You're going to crack it inside there and stir it almost like you were making scrambled eggs. So unless you don't know how to make scrambled eggs, then you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. But crack the egg inside your cauliflower rice and shrimp. I'm gonna do that now. And honestly, that's basically it. Once the egg is just mixed inside the rice, stir it, you're basically done. Super easy, super simple, and healthy. Vegetable, protein, and you got some fats in there because of the egg. Ugh. I hope you enjoyed this one. It's honestly super easy. So I'm going to finish this, and then you guys will see the finished product in the next slide clip thingy. This is so different for me because I'm used to doing it on Instagram, but now it's on like YouTube, and I'm still learning. But go 2019, we are growing. Alrighty, so that literally took like less than 5 minutes, and with the shrimp and the rice and the egg, it all adds up to be about like 250 calories. And what I usually like to do is have a base of lettuce and or spinach at the bottom just to make it, fuller. So yeah, that's really like all you have to do. Putting my lettuce in a bowl. I'm gonna take this. I'm using a measuring cup. Why? Because I can't find my like scooper thingamabobby. So yeah, we're just gonna work with this and put that to the side, and you are complete. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this super easy tutorial on how to make shrimp fried rice. It's not fried because I didn't use any oils whatsoever, in case you didn't catch that. And it's not real rice, it's cauliflower rice. You can totally use normal rice, but I do. So yeah, if you guys make this, please tag me. I would love to see them. I want to see all of your guys' creations. Use hashtag Cookin With Jen. Tag me if you put them on your story. Like, oh, yes. So, thanks for watching this episode of Cookin With Jen. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.